I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining exactly what you need and why it matters. List 5 8-core skills, 3 soft traits, and the primary outcomes the assistant must deliver. Once done, pick employment type, part-time, full-time, or $1,099, and set a realistic salary range and benefits. Then draft a clear job post with responsibilities, tools used, and working hours. Include start date and any trial period. Make sure to post where your ideal candidates already spend time. You move next to screening. Send a concise form asking experience, tools, availability, and salary expectations to filter quickly. Once you have candidates, shortlist 5-10 and schedule 20-30-minute video interviews to assess communication and cultural fit. After interviews, give a paid skills task that mirrors real work. This shows ability and work ethic. Make sure to score tasks against criteria and take notes. This structured approach prevents bias and speeds decision-making. You finalize by making a clear offer with a probation window, KPI, and payment schedule. Clarify confidentiality and tools access before day 1. Onboard fast. Provide templates, access to tools, a 30-day task list, and scheduled check-ins. Once they start, monitor progress and give timely feedback. If performance stalls, address it immediately, clarify expectations, offer specific coaching, and set a 2-week improvement plan. If no improvement follows, be ready to end probation and restart the hiring loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.